Wealth is complicated. Or is it? Every day we spend money on coffee, subscriptions, or small purchases we barely remember. But what if instead of spending €10 a day, you used it to build financial freedom? It sounds insignificant. Just pocket change. But used wisely, that small amount could set you up for an entirely different financial future. The problem? Most people completely misunderstand how wealth building works. So today, let's fix that. Stick around, because we're breaking down exactly how small, daily habits, whether investing, learning, or creating, can reshape your financial trajectory. The power of compounding. Think about it. Every time you spend €10 on something trivial, you are making a choice. It's not about deprivation, it's about priorities. Most people assume that you need a huge salary to build wealth, but that's a myth. In reality, it's about how you use what you already have. A single action doesn't seem like much, but repeated daily, it transforms into something powerful. This is called compounding. Imagine planting a seed. One seed on its own won't do much, but if you plant one every single day, soon you'll have an entire forest. The same applies to money. Let's visualize this with numbers. Suppose you invest €10 today with a 10% return annually. In a year, it's worth €11. In 10 years, that single investment grows to €26. But here's the interesting part. If you invest €10 every day and let it compound, in 30 years, you'd have over €700,000. That's the power of consistency. But most people never get there because they give up too soon. They get impatient. They assume small actions don't matter. They wait for the perfect moment to start. The truth is, small amounts used wisely add up in ways you can't even imagine. So, the real question is, where should you put that daily €10 to get the best possible outcome? The best investment now. There isn't a single answer. There are multiple paths, depending on your risk tolerance, personality, and goals. One option is investing, letting your money work for you. Many think investing is for the rich, but that's outdated thinking. Today, platforms allow fractional investing, meaning even a few euros can buy a stake in global financial markets. You don't need to gamble on risky stocks. Instead, consider index funds and ETFs, which allow you to own a small part of hundreds of companies, reducing risk while building wealth. This strategy made Warren Buffett a billionaire. Then there are dividend stocks, where companies pay you just for owning shares. The more you reinvest these payments, the faster your money grows. If you're open to higher risk, crypto and alternative assets provide another avenue. While unpredictable, even small, steady investments in Bitcoin or Ethereum have made some investors incredibly wealthy. And if crypto isn't your thing, there are other assets like gold, commodities, or real estate crowdfunding. Investing in yourself, your best asset. But let's say investing isn't for you. What if, instead of growing money, you focused on growing your ability to make more money? In this case, investing in yourself might be the smarter path. Learning high-income skills can change your financial future faster than any stock. Think about this. How much did you pay for your last streaming subscription? What if you put that money toward an online course instead? Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare offer courses in programming, marketing, finance, and design. Skills that companies are willing to pay top dollar for. Then there are books. A single book can rewire your thinking in a way that compounds faster than money. Wealthy people don't read just for entertainment. They read for knowledge. They read because the right book at the right time can change your trajectory completely. Beyond knowledge, there's also networking. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So ask yourself, are the people around you pulling you forward or holding you back? Surrounding yourself with successful individuals gives you access to insights and opportunities that most people will never have. Building a business. Creating your own cash flow. Of course, knowledge and skills alone don't generate income unless you use them. This is where creating your own cash flow comes in. The internet has changed everything. Today, you can build a business with almost no startup costs. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can start freelancing, selling digital products, or creating content. YouTube, TikTok, blogging, all of these allow you to create something once and keep earning from it forever. Then there's affiliate marketing, earning commissions for promoting products you already use. Imagine getting paid just for recommending a book, a software tool, or a service you genuinely love. This is why so many people are quitting traditional jobs to work online. They understand that instead of trading hours for money, they can build something that generates passive income. The ladder to wealth. Climbing step by step. But let's be realistic. You don't go from zero to financial freedom overnight. You have to build a ladder, step by step. Think of wealth building as climbing a staircase. Each step supports the next. The first step is stabilizing your finances. Before investing or starting a business, make sure your foundation is strong. If you have high interest debt, pay it off first. Nothing drains wealth faster than a 20% interest credit card. Then, build an emergency fund, a safety net of at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives you room to take smart risks without fear of financial disaster. Once your foundation is stable, the second step is expanding your income streams. Maybe that means asking for a raise, finding a higher paying job, or starting a part-time side hustle. Even a few extra hours of freelance work each week could be funneled directly into investments or skill development. The key here is momentum. Small earnings snowball into bigger opportunities. The third step is where things get interesting. Scaling and owning assets. Once you have extra cash flow, it's time to put it to work. This is where people start scaling their businesses, investing more aggressively, and focusing on passive income streams. Maybe that means reinvesting business profits to grow faster. Maybe it means buying rental properties, dividend stocks, or building automated online businesses. The goal isn't just to make money. It's to make money work for you. Once you reach this stage, your financial future shifts dramatically. Your money makes money. Your skills generate wealth. Your investments compound. At this point, you're no longer chasing money. You're attracting it. The future you will choose. So now, you have a choice. You can keep spending 10 euros a day without thinking about it. Or you can start today, right now, and use that same 10 euros to reshape your future. The truth is, wealth isn't about luck. It isn't about being born into the right family. It's about small, intentional choices made consistently over time. And the best time to start? Today. So, are you in? If you're ready to take control of your financial future, tap the like button. Drop a comment, "I'm in," to commit to this journey. And if you want more deep dive strategies on wealth building, subscribe for more. Because financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a choice. And it starts with something as small as 10 euros a day. See you in the next video.